where silence used to reign. Echoes of struggle, the cries of pain. We rise together hand in hand. For the dreams of the fallen we take a stand. Brick by brick we'll build a new way. With love as our armor we'll seize the day. Every story matters, every voice must be heard. In the fight for justice we'll spread the word. So let's raise our voices, let's light up the night. With hope in our hearts we'll keep up the fight. Voices for change, let the world see. United in strength, we're breaking free. With the power of love, we'll shatter the chains. Together we rise in the face of the pain. From the shadows of history, we'll rise to the light. With courage as our compass, we'll continue the fight. No more division, no more hate. In the heart of the struggle, we'll create our fate. For the ones who suffered, for the dreams deferred, we'll stand up for justice, let our hearts be stirred. Every color, every creed, together we stand. In the name of equality, we'll take back our land. Every child dreaming of a world that is fair, we'll keep pushing forward, we'll always be there. Voices for change, let the world see. United in strength, we're breaking free. With the power of love, we'll shatter the chains. Together we rise in the face of the pain. So here's to the fighters, the dreamers so bold. With unity as our shield, we'll rewrite the mold. From the shadows of history, we'll rise to the light. With courage as our compass, we'll continue the fight.